Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to One More Thing. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, reverse thinking. Reverse thinking refers to thinking about problems in opposite or different ways. This method can help us find more innovative solutions, and it can also help us see different aspects of the problem. Reverse thinking can be applied to a variety of situations, from solving everyday problems to creating revolutionary products and services. All can be achieved through reverse thinking. First, let's look at the advantages of reverse thinking. Reverse thinking has the following advantages. Reverse thinking can help people break the thinking frame and look at problems from a new perspective. In everyday life, people often use straight-line thinking, that is, the traditional way of thinking. Straight-line thinking is a habitual way of thinking, usually based on existing knowledge and experience, and will follow certain patterns and steps when solving problems. This type of thinking can be very effective in some situations, but when people encounter complex problems, linear thinking can become ineffective. Reverse thinking is a creative way of thinking that requires people to think about problems in opposite or different ways. This way of thinking can break people's inherent thinking frame, so as to discover new solutions. Reverse thinking can help people see different levels of problems, think and understand problems from different angles. This way of thinking can inspire people's creativity and imagination, resulting in more innovation and development. As an example, we can look at the famous cola brand, Coca-Cola. When they want to create a new product, they use reverse thinking. They turn things around and ask themselves what would they need to do if they were to achieve the opposite goal. They thought of making a refreshing drink, and that's how condensation water was born. Contrarian thinking helped Coca-Cola find a unique solution and successfully create a new product. Therefore, reverse thinking can help people break the inherent thinking frame and discover new solutions. Reverse thinking can help people expand their thinking horizons and look at problems from different perspectives. In the traditional way of thinking, people often only pay attention to the surface of a problem, thus ignoring other aspects of the problem. Reverse thinking is a way of thinking that can help people look at problems from a different perspective. Reverse thinking can help people discover the essence of the problem and understand the various aspects of the problem. Reverse thinking can expand the horizon of thinking by constantly asking questions. For example, when people encounter a problem, they can ask themselves, what would happen if the opposite happened? This kind of question can help people see the problem from the opposite angle, so as to discover other layers of the problem. For example, when people are trying to solve a business problem, they might ask themselves, if we weren't in this business, what would we be doing? Solution. Reverse thinking can also help people understand the various aspects involved in a problem. Reverse thinking can help people look at problems from different angles, understand multiple levels of problems, and solve problems better. Therefore, reverse thinking can help people expand their thinking horizons, look at problems from different angles, discover the essence of problems, and understand multiple levels of problems. Reverse thinking can help people solve those seemingly impossible problems. Some problems may seem very difficult or impossible to solve. Reverse thinking offers a different way of thinking and can help people find new solutions. Reverse thinking requires people to think about problems from the opposite angle, so as to find different solutions. For example, when people encounter a problem that seems unsolvable, they can ask themselves, what would happen if the opposite happened? This kind of question can help people find different solutions and thus solve the problem. Reverse thinking can also help people find more innovative solutions. When people use traditional ways of thinking, they may only think of some conventional solutions. Reverse thinking requires people to think about problems from different angles, so as to find more innovative solutions. For example, when people are trying to solve a product problem, they can ask themselves, if we were customers, what would we expect from our product? More innovative solutions. Reverse thinking can also help people discover the essence of the problem. Some problems may only be surface problems, and the real problem may lie behind the problem. Reverse thinking can help people discover the essence of the problem, so as to find a better solution. Therefore, reverse thinking can help people solve those seemingly impossible problems and find more innovative and effective solutions. Contrarian thinking can enhance creativity and inspire innovative ideas and products. Contrarian thinking requires people to think about problems from the opposite angle, resulting in new ideas and solutions. Reverse thinking can help people break the inherent thinking framework and look at problems from different angles, thereby generating more creativity and imagination. Reverse thinking can also help people discover new application scenarios. When people use reverse thinking, they may think of some non-traditional application scenarios, which may not have been considered before. Such innovative ideas can help people develop new products or services, thereby increasing creativity. For example, when people are trying to develop a new product, they can use reverse thinking. They can ask themselves, what would happen if the opposite happened? This kind of question can help people see problems from a different perspective, leading to innovative ideas and solutions. Reverse thinking can also help people see multiple dimensions of a problem. Reverse thinking can help people discover the essence of the problem, so as to find a better solution. This way of thinking can help people discover new application scenarios and innovative ideas, thereby enhancing creativity. Therefore, reverse thinking can enhance creativity and inspire innovative ideas and products. Reverse thinking can shorten the time to solve the problem. Reverse thinking requires people to think about problems from the opposite angle and look at problems from different angles. This way of thinking can help people find new solutions, thereby reducing the time to solve problems. Reverse thinking can also help people look at problems from multiple levels. Reverse thinking can help people discover the essence of the problem, so as to find a better solution. This way of thinking can help people solve problems faster. For example, when people are trying to solve a problem, they can use reverse thinking. They can ask themselves, what would have happened if the opposite had happened? This kind of question can help people see a problem from a different perspective, leading to a faster solution. Reverse thinking can also help people discover the root cause of a problem more quickly. Reverse thinking can help people look at the problem from multiple levels, so as to find the root cause of the problem, so as to solve the problem faster. Therefore, reverse thinking can help people shorten the time to solve problems, look at problems from different angles, find better solutions, and quickly discover the root causes of problems. People who understand reverse thinking, do you know how scary it is? After reading these 3 short stories, I was enlightened. These 3 short stories will tell you how scary and powerful is a person who understands reverse thinking. First short story. When driving alone, due to bad road conditions, I accidentally drove the front wheel of the car into the ditch. Of course, he had no choice but to call the towing company, but the lion on the opposite side asked for 1,000 yuan. But this person didn't want to, so he hung up the phone. After thinking for a while, he picked up his mobile phone and ordered 7 or 8 takeaways directly. The contact said that they must be delivered to the place he located, and he could add money. In less than half an hour, the takeaway master came, and this person expressed his true thoughts, asked them to help lift the car up, and gave these people the takeaway he ordered, and gave each of them a 5-star praise. The matter was thus resolved. Reversal of thinking. The core of the so-called reverse thinking is to break the conventional thinking mode and deal with the problem from a different angle and method. For example, in the above story, after the car accident, many people want to find the towing company, but he just found a takeaway master. This is reverse thinking. Second short story. There was a prisoner in a foreign country who was imprisoned. His lover wrote to him to complain, saying that you are the main labor force in the family. Now that you are in prison, no one has cleared the land of the family. The prisoner had an idea, and wrote back to tell his lover, I have a wall buried in the field of our house, so please don't dig it. As a result, after a period of time, my lover wrote back, saying that a group of policemen came to the house and searched the ground 3 or 4 times, trying to find the gun you buried, but they didn't find the gun at all. Where did you hide the gun? The prisoner wrote back and told the truth. He didn't hide the gun at all, just to let the police help dig the ground. You should hurry up and sow seeds now. Reversal of thinking. People who understand reverse thinking are so scary and powerful. No matter where they are, no matter how bad or even dangerous the situation is, they can easily solve problems. Third short story. There were 2 young men chasing the same girl. He first young man spent $3,000, $2,500 to buy a mobile phone for the girl, and the remaining $500 was going to be used for food and housing, and then he rode a shared bicycle to find the girl. The girl rejected it directly, saying that you are a good person, but we are really not suitable, sorry. The second young man also spent $3,000. He rented a luxury car for $800, then bought beautiful roses for $200, drove the luxury car to send flowers to the girl, and then spent $1,000 to bring flowers to the girl. I took the girl to have a big meal, and found a high-end luxury hotel for the remaining $1,000. That night, he made a relationship with the girl, and the girl said it was all because of love. Reversal of thinking. The same money can play completely different roles. People who understand reverse thinking can often spend the least amount of money to do the biggest things. Through the above 3 short stories, I believe you must understand the horror and power of reverse thinking. Know how to use reverse thinking. No matter what you do, you can get twice the result with half the effort. Can turn passivity into initiative, and make the impossible possible. To sum up, reverse thinking is a very useful way of thinking that can help us solve various problems. However, reverse thinking may take more time and effort, requiring a certain amount of creativity and imagination. However, as long as we keep an open mind and keep thinking and experimenting with possibilities, we can apply reverse thinking to achieve our goals. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video. We will continue to bring you more valuable videos.